Hello guys, today I am going to solve some problems of triangles. Here we have to find out the unknown angles. Three triangles given and said to find out the values of unknown x and y. See, in first triangle only exterior and interior angles given and we have to find out the value of x and y angles. Here exterior angle given, it's like a hint for you. In last class I explained exterior and interior angles. If you have not seen that video, please go and watch. Then only you will get an idea and you will understand this problem. Just to give names to the angles, PQR, it means triangle PQR. Also extended side is there and angle form we can say angle R. We can write it as angle PRS. It means we are talking about R angle only. So put that angle symbol there. So in triangle PQR, angles are 50 degree x and y. We have to find out an exterior angle 120 degree given. We know exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. I explain about this exterior and interior angle in detail. You please go and watch and subscribe my channel. With the help of that definition, can I write like this? Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angle, opposite interior angle. It means 120 degree is equal to opposite interior angles are here 50 degree plus x. But we don't know x angle. First we will find out x value. So we can write it as x plus 50 is equal to 120 degree. X value will be, when we subtract 50 from 120 we will get 70. It means x value is 70 degree. Okay, we got x value. Let's find out y value. Is interior angle R angle. Y value we are going to find out here. The triangle PQR, we know sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here we found x value and one more angle also we know already given, that is 50 degree. Substitute x value in the equation, that is 70 degree. When we add with 50 degree we will get 120 degree. In next line 120 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. How to find y value? 120 goes to right side of equal to, then sign also will change from plus to minus. So when we subtract from 180 we will get 60 degree. It means y value is 60 degree. Got here x and y value. X value is 70 degree and y value is 60 degree. You can do rough work to check whether the value of x and y are correct or not. We know the interior angle sum. It means sum of three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. See the figure, three interior angles of triangle PQR is, one is 50 degree, another one x and y value came there, that is 70 degree and 60 degree. So add those values. If you will get 180 degree, then your x and y value is correct. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Come to the second question. Here we have to find out the value of x and y. One exterior angle 80 degree given, that is opposite to y angle. Those angles are called vertically opposite angles because both the angles, that is 80 degree and y, is opposite to each other at the same vertex. It means both angles are same. In place of y we can take 80 degree. It means value of y is 80 degree. Now next is find the value of x. See the triangle, three angles are there, 50 degree, x and y. We know y value, that is 80 degree because it is vertically opposite. It means both are same. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum nothing but we have to add three angles, that is 50 plus x plus y, that equal to 180 degree. When we add 50 plus 80, we'll get 130. It means we have to subtract 130 from 180. We'll get 50 degree. It means the value of x is 50 degree. If you have doubt whether the value of x and y is correct or not, at that time you can check by adding angles. If you get 180 degree, then the values are correct. In third triangle, we have to find out the value of x and y. One exterior and one interior angle given. Let's find out first exterior angle. In first problem, I said about exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. That is, the opposite angles of x is here 50 degree and 60 degree. When we add that, we'll get the value of x, that is 110. You can easily add that 50 plus 60, that equal to 110 degree. It means the value of x is 110 here. Now next, to find value of y. We know in triangle sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Already two angles given here. One angle we have to find out, that is y value. When we add 80 and 60, we'll get 110 degree and subtract from 180 degrees. You will get 70 degree. It means y value is 70 degree and x value is 110 degree. That is exterior angle. If you want to know the value of x and y is correct or not, then you can add and you can check. When you will get 180 degree, then your answer will be correct.